Hello there, YouTube. I hope all y'all having a blessed day. I am in the mood for a doodle page today, so I'm going to turn the camera around and get my doodle journal and we're going to start playing. I always like to start my doodle pages with a scribble with a black marker that helps me define my borders. So I'm just going to start at one edge and do squiggles. And if they're not smooth, don't worry about it. We're using acrylic markers so we can go over our mistakes. There we go. All right, I think that's enough to get me started. And let's see, I think the first thing I'm going to do is make my lines neurographic. And I don't know the correct definition of neurographic lines. Where you have the intersection, you round it out. Apparently the brain doesn't like sharp corners. So if you soften them, it's a better experience maybe. Now we can start playing with color, and you can follow a color palette if you like. I have one sitting here, and you could take out only colors that fall in there, and that would give you a nice coordinated palette, or you could just go off the charts, and I think I'll go off the charts. Start with a big bold red, and these are Artix markers, acrylic markers. They are brush tip and they make lovely teardrop shapes. So I'm just going to start coloring in inside my lines. And there's no rhyme or reason to my coloring. I grab a marker, and when my eyes lock on a shape, I color it in. You could do cool things like fades or ombres, where you started at like a very, very, very pale blue and worked your way down to like an indigo or a Payne's gray. And you can see I went over the black line with the pink marker. That's perfectly okay because you can go back over everything with black at the end. Maybe you want to make your lines thicker. Just clean that right up. I have to apologize. My phone died while I was filming. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you learned something, and I hope you'll give this a try. This is lots of fun. You can be as simple or as crazy as you want to be on here. You can do all sorts of patterns. You could do the entire thing in just dots. But these are so much fun, and they take your mind off your worries. They let you focus on something other than pain or being sad or being lonely. And this gives you an opportunity to enjoy the creativity that God has given you. And it gives you an opportunity to play with the billions and billions of colors that He has given us. I get so much joy. I have goosebumps right now. And I'm so thankful that God gave me this creativity to share with you, and the hopes that you will search inside yourself and find your creativity and find the gifts that God has given you. Give this a try. I know you can do it. You know you can do it. And God knows you can do it. Grab those crayons, your markers, your paint, your finger paints, your tempera sticks, whatever you have, grab them and play. And I'll see you right back here at 70 Acre Studio with the next video real soon. I love you all. God bless.
Good night, Elizabeth.
Good night, John Boy. You are faithful.